the factory prop for this is, in my opinion, garbage, so get a prop adapter. With the prop adapter, you're going to want to get a couple different sized props for this to work. I have a lot of motors, and so I have a lot of props, but at the end of this I'll talk about the different size motors and the different size props I found that work best. Step 2, you want to get your boat level, and you'll see why in a second. Step 3, you want to measure from the ground to the bottom of the boat while it's level. This one I have 22 inches. Write that down if you need to for your application. Step 3, you want to back out the trim bolt until the center of the prop matches what your boat was at when it was level. So this one's 22 inches, boat was 22 inches. Back this screw out. Some of them may need a longer screw. The factory one, this one I had to replace because the factory one was too short. After you back it all the way out to where the prop is level, mark the top of the bolt with a Sharpie. After you mark the bolt with the Sharpie, you want to, try and do this one-handed, screw the bolt in all the way and count how many threads it takes. So with this one bottomed out, it was 28.5 rotations. So when I go to screw it out, I mark the top of it, so I do my little half turn, and then once that marked spot on the bolt is on top, I can go 28 out, and it will bring my prop back to level. And then you can verify it by screwing it out. So this one I did that half turn, and then I did 28 out, always keeping that marked spot on top, and then coming back, verify, it's at 22 inches again. This will be used as my baseline. And then from here, if you're interested, I noticed on the small kits, so we're at 22. Each thread equals about 1 inch of prop height. So bring it in, 1 full turn, always keeping that one on top. Come back here, and it's roughly 1 inch lower. So you're going to use that to make these little charts we'll talk about next. Okay, so here's an example of the charts that I make when I'm dialing these in. Here's the baseline. That's why you counted all those threads, so you know when the prop is level with the boat. And then I go negative 2 inches each, so I'll go 2 threads deeper into the water, 4 threads, but I'll always start at the deepest. So I'll start 6 inches below the boat. For this example, it'd be a 6.5 inch prop. The boat's basically empty. 6 inches deep. I'll record my speed using a GPS on my phone, and then it's pretty important to